You will see the benefits of carrots in the video below. Carrots have appeared in recipes for the skin, hair, lung cleansing, and other things on our channel, and a video with a recipe for carrot jam was just published by us. Have you seen it? Check out the advice at the conclusion of this video. You've probably heard that carrots are beneficial for the eyes, but they also have a variety of additional benefits. Health advantages. Want to know more about them? Healthy for the eyes. Carrots are well known for promoting eye health. Carrots are abundant in beta-carotene, a kind of vitamin A, which safeguards the surface of the eye and helps to how it works. Regular consumption of carrots can help avoid various diseases, including cataracts and macular degeneration. Blindness, too. Lutein is also present in carrots. Lutein, an antioxidant that shields the eyes from damaging light, is also found in carrots. This antioxidant works, according to a study that was published in the Journal of the American Medical Association. Reduces the chance of macular degeneration, a condition associated with aging that can lead to vision loss. Because they are abundant in soluble and insoluble fiber, they aid in digestion. Carrots' fiber helps them prevent constipation by generating more feces. Additionally, they lessen intestinal transit and aid in promoting the growth of beneficial gut flora. Beautifies the skin. Carotenoids, which are contained in carrots, have a preventive role on all skin layers, lowering the skin's susceptibility to ultraviolet, UV, light, and the minimum exposure to these rays is being raised. Additionally, carrots have a strong antioxidant effect. In addition, carrots have a strong antioxidant effect throughout the body, which slows down the aging process and prevents and treats skin conditions like the irritant and reddening psoriasis. Increases resistance to infection. The antioxidants in carrots, which combat free radicals brought on by smoking, pollution, or stress, as well as cell damage and inflammation, help the body fight infections more effectively. They also include vitamins A and C, which support lung health, boost immunological function, and lessen the symptoms of respiratory allergies. Do you like the video? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on any of the thrilling content coming your way. Now, without further ado, let's dive right in.